Hello, I'm Fiona Day. If you're feeling drained, emotionally flat, or quietly questioning your suitability to lead, please hear this. Burnout in senior health leadership is not a sign of weakness. It's frequently the high cost of carrying massive, sustained responsibility without an evidence-based space to reflect and recalibrate. My coaching psychology partnership helps you understand what is truly draining you and rebuilds your energy from the ground up. We work together to reset your boundaries without losing your authority, developing a sustainable leadership style that protects your well-being while maintaining your impact. You can lead powerfully without sacrificing your health, but it starts with giving yourself permission to be supported. Let's move from depletion back to professional fulfillment.